for the guala. With my team, we stay up late. Never let nobody come between me and the pay. But you know I slip paid, yeah, you know I'm with my gang. We just flexing all designer, got these diamonds on our rings. Yo, VVS my neck, catch me running up a check. Yeah, I'm running up a band while I'm running people's head. I just spent a check and I made it back. I just spent a stack on a go yard back. I just flexed up, I ain't going back. Exes on my phone, I won't call them back.
Yo, what is up, guys? Wow, I haven't done this intro in a minute. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel, Game Cam Squad. What is up? What's up to everybody that's new? I see the sub count steady growing up, so new guys, OGs, what's up? Hope everybody's doing all right. Today, Brz Lip Install. Not really gonna send it off to paint. Black cars can get away with raw polyurethane, and like it looks better. You paint it, it's car static, it gets chipped, blah blah blah. So we're gonna go downstairs, prep this, sand it down a little bit. It'll be better for the 3M tape to apply to. There's also screws as well for reinforcement, but the main process to hold this up is just gonna be 3M. So that's today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Without further ado, let's get prepping. Now, me for one, I'm not usually the connoisseur of like cheap or replica parts, but the Brz is static, so why would we spend like $500 on a lip just to beam it off the ground? Like if you're gonna run like a static car, I don't really see the point of running a genuine lip, because the rep ones honestly fit just as good. Like a lip's a lip, really, that's how I feel. And if you're like me, you're in at $70 and you get a video out of it, so whatever. But we're here in the basement. Let me find some sandpaper real quick, and I will show you the perks of sanding this hoe down. This edge right here is all you will see. Anything that is in the grade is going to actually be attached to the original bumper. So any imperfections, any high spots that the 3M tape is going to be laid at, that needs to be gone. And the point of that is just for a better adhesion, and so our lip doesn't come off later. Okay, so we have the Brz, everything we need, drill, the bumper's gotta come off, we got 3M tape. So I'm gonna remove the bumper, we're gonna clean off the bottom side, and then we are gonna mount the lip. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Woohoo! Right, so now we have our bumper, scrape the shit, being static and all. So we're gonna clean this up, lay 3M for the new lip, and get to work. So right now we're just gonna spray this down with like a water-based cleaner, which I'm almost out of. Spray this down, clean it all up, and then we'll start laying the lip. Actually, I changed my mind. For the sake of this vlog, we're just gonna be using like small washers and the dry sprues. It should be plenty. And like I said, it's a rep lip, so if we beam it off, we beam it off. So let me drill the rest of these in, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Damn. Fucking shit. Good job, Driftworks. I'm off my target a little bit. Boom. No! Fuck! Oh god, it's gone forever. Just kidding, found it. Doesn't help that I last minute literally everything, but that's the how I go plant. You see the screw on there? Pretty good. Let's take a look. Ooh. $70 on eBay, bro. Can't fucking beat it. Shit looks dumb good. Like, can't even complain. How could you complain? That shit looks so good. Let's throw it back on the car. Damn, bro. I feel like it, dude. The lip for this car makes this car so much more aggressive. Holy shit. I love it. Absolutely love it. What do you guys think? $70? That's a check in my opinion, but let's try to strap it back up and see how it looks.
I messed up. I messed up.
All done. Front lip install. This is like a 5 out of 10. Not really hard. The side lights are real annoying / tricky. So those aren't that fun. But besides that, looks pretty good, in my opinion. A little aggressive on the front tires. Probably need a smaller tire next time around. But the fitment isn't too bad at all. It's a good height for static. I think so. But that is pretty much it for this one. So guys, let me know what you think. I think it came out pretty good. Fitment is pretty decent on it. I don't really have any complaints. Looks good. But that's about it. Whew. Getting hot out. Your man needs a haircut today, but I'm probably gonna go shower and go do that. So BRZ is done. Where is this fucking car at? Right there. BRZ is done. I gotta go swap this out with the GTR and get on with my day. So I know it's been a week. I just want to say sorry for the delay. I'm lacking personally, but thank you to everybody that's new and everyone that stuck around for the vlog. If you got to the end, appreciate it. Thank you very much. And until the next time, boys. See ya.
Nobody flies us, smoking all day and they get high as us. Yeah, I take the weed and I grind it up. Yeah, I stepped in the spot looking fly as fuck. Yeah, in my old school Vans with my socks pulled up. Girls gon' flock when the click show up. Champagne pot, got the weed rolled up. Step in the spot, all eyes on us. Big pins and the hot top chucks. Bow downtown, let the team blow up.